Hello and everyone. Now I'm here in one of the traditional market in Cirebon, where I will interview the shop owner regarding the rising price of cooking oil and also the government's plan to ban bulk cooking oil. As we know that several years ago, the government, through the Trade Ministry Director General of Domestic Trade, Oke Nurwan, conveyed the government's plan to prohibit the circulation of bulk cooking oil as of January 1st, 2022, in a bid to maintain the price of the commodity. Oke Nurwan said that the price of bulk cooking oil is thus far highly depend on the price of crude palm oil. As a result, when the price of CPO soared, the price of bulk cooking oil also jumped. In fact, bulk cooking oil become one of the favorites of citizens, especially the traders, because it is known for its low price. So, let's find out what the citizen responses and opinions regarding this news. Now I've got here the shop owner, Ibu Rara, who will be asked her opinion about it. How are you, Ibu Rara?
Yes, I am fine. Good.
Okay, so tell me, Ibu Rara, what do you think about the increasingly high price of cooking oil, especially bulk cooking oil, as we know that the price of cooking oil in the market is up 18,000 rupiahs until 19,000 rupiahs per liter.
As a trader, of course, it burdens us because rising oil prices make customers complain and decrease purchase of cooking oil. We have to buy supplies of cooking oil at high price as well.
Okay, then talking about the government's plan to prohibit the circulation of bulk cooking oil as of January 1st, 2022, what do you think about it?
Okay, I think it also needs to be considered so that the decision doesn't make the community and traders, especially the lower middle class, not feel difficulty in buying cooking oil.
Okay, do you mind if bulk cooking oil will be prohibited circulations and be replaced by packaged cooking oil?
Actually, is it not easy for me, but I agree about it is long as a packaged cooking oil price is not really expensive and the supply of packaged oil is adequate for the needs of the community.
Okay, last but not least, what do you want to tell to the government?
Please make wise decision and give us full attention regarding this problem.
Okay, thank you so much, Bu Rara, for giving your responses and opinion about it.
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay. So everyone, that's all the responses and opinions for one of the citizens in Cirebon regarding the government's plan to prohibit the circulation of bulk cooking oil as of January 1st, 2022, and also the increasing price of cooking oil as the impact of the government's plan in the few days ago. That's all from me that can be reported today. I'm Rizki Amelia and also the cameraman Puji Lestari. See you.